MacBook Air. How cool is this? I don't know. I kind of love this. Hey there, thanks for coming to hang out. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Brighten Day, and my goal is to lighten you up and to brighten your day. So please subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps to grow my channel. Today we're opening the new Starlight M2 MacBook Air with 10-core GPU processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. You've probably seen other videos mentioning the SSD storage issue, where the new M2 base Airs are slower than the base M1, so I upgraded the SSD to 512, so it should be super speedy. I love playing Fortnite and video editing for you guys, so I did upgrade and got the 10-core GPU instead of the 8-core GPU. I am a little bit nervous because I've seen other videos comparing the two online, and the 10-core GPU is heating up a lot faster than the 8-core GPU, so it'll throttle and actually make the system slower instead of going faster like you would think it would. I have a window AC unit in this office, so it really shouldn't be an issue. As long as I use it in here, it'll never really thermal throttle. It'll be cold. I could even sit in front of the air conditioning if I wanted to. With all those upgrades I mentioned, is $1,700 versus the base MacBook Pros you can get for $2,000. I think is a much better value. Now, I was already kind of pushing the limit with the $1,700 laptop. Luckily, Best Buy had them on sale, brand new, $1,800. So I went ahead and I ordered one. So I have 2 weeks to decide and test out which one's going to be better. And I kind of already feel like I know that the Pro is going to be better, spoiler alert. But this one supposedly is faster in single core performance, whatever that means. So we're going to try them out for 2 weeks, play Fortnite, edit some videos, and see which one we're going to keep and why I think you should pick the Pro or the MacBook Air. Without further ado, let's open this baby up. I'm so excited. I got the Starlight version because it matches my iPhone. I worked really hard to set up this cool camera angle for you guys. Here, I just got my old laptop to show you guys. This is from between 2007 and 10. It's really old. It's a Asus EEPC. It has like 1 gigabyte of RAM on here. It's time to upgrade. I really like video editing and I want to get serious about it. Ooh. Alright, so showy box. That's cool. Holy shit! This is it! Holy cow! Holy cow! Excuse my language. This is it. Like, this is... Are you kidding me? Like, what? It's as flat as my cell phone! This is so crazy! Oh my god. This is nuts. Oh my god. I know I ordered the Pro and it's a little bit bigger, I think, than this one. I'm imagining the Pro is honestly going to be like gigantic, like this kind of thing. Wow. I'm really impressed with the size. You know, I mean, I've seen it in videos and stuff, but I don't think I really appreciate it until it's like in real life. Wow. Holy shoot. Okay. Ooh, and I got the fast charger. If you go to the store and pick up your MacBook Air, it comes base with a regular charger and it's not fast charging. You have to order that online or pay extra in the store for it. I think it's like $50 when you order it online. Because I upgraded my GPU to the 10 core, it comes included. But if you check out through Apple with the regular 8 core, they just charge you $20 for the fast charger. Which it is what it is. I don't know. If you want it, you gotta pay for it. They have RAV chargers and other off-market chargers that charge fast as well too. You don't really have to get this one. This also comes standard with the Pro models. So even if I keep the Pro, I'm gonna have it. Fast charging is something I was wanting out of a laptop and a reason why I was choosing the new MacBook Air or the Pro. Both can fast charge, but the Pro you actually need a 96 watt charger that again you have to pay like $20 extra for, but it's worth it. Because I got mine from Best Buy, I actually didn't get to select any specs. You just got the base, whatever is in it. And I'm excited to see what kind of charger it comes with. Maybe it comes with a fast charging one that's a little better than this one, but it's kind of big, which is weird. The battery on this should last all day, so honestly, you don't even need to lug these things around at all. Oh, this is stickers. Here, they're Starlight. They're like a silver gold color, like a champagne gold, I guess they keep calling it. It just looks like my phone. It's like a silvery kind of white gold color. It's pretty. I don't know. They're just stickers. Apple doesn't pay us to advertise for them. At least not me yet, so I won't be using these. Apple, you want to pay me? I'll put your stickers wherever. That's cute. They advertise it being like a matching charge cable. This just looks white, honestly. I mean, here we go. We're going to take the real cover off and see what it looks like, but I don't really think it matches. Oh, this is so cute. The pose. But this is really cute. I mean, like, what? What a difference. I'm happy. I'm really thrilled. Here's my AirPods. They're white. This is a white cord. Like, I mean, this little box matches, I guess. But, like, it's silver. Like, I don't know. I don't think the charging cable's anything to write home. They made it seem like it was this, like, cooler thing online that it would match, like, super well. But I don't really think it does. Open it. It's kind of... Oh, wow. It, like, went ding and, like, came to life. Oh, hello. How cute are you? Wow. Oh, wow. The trackpad is ginormous. Holy cow. Look at the trackpad I was using. Literally, this was it. Like, this was my trackpad. It was about the size of my AirPods. Literally, the size of my AirPods was this trackpad that I was using. And this is a huge difference. So, I think this is going to work out amazing. Okay. Oh, English. I have this really cute wireless mouse that is Bluetooth, and I feel like this is going to be a necessary thing already. I guess you gotta get used to it. It's just such a weird movement. I'm so used to using my phone and you just like touch everything. It's not a touch screen, so like you get what you get, I guess. But I've gotten used to, my laptop had ports, like a ton of ports, Ethernet, you know, USB headphones, microphone. Like, this computer is ancient, like 12, 13 years old. Now, the MacBook Air, you know, oh wow, it is really, really light, which is cool. There's nothing. Like, which I do like too, I can go to the beach and there'll be no sand or anything getting caught in here, which is a big reason why I thought I would get it too. Because I increased the brightness to 500 nits, so when you're outside, you can actually like see really well. Where at the beach, this becomes a big issue. Now, I'm not gonna be rolling around in the sand, but when you have the fans on your computers, they suck up air from the outside. You can get sand and stuff like inside your computer. So I like with the Air, that's a non-issue. The only ports that are open is the MagSafe charger, and it has 2 Thunderbolt ports, which are like C ports basically. Wow, I really thought this would be a lot easier decision than it is, guys. The Pro, I'm sure is going to be really impressive, and I'm glad I'm going to be opening that one up next. It's really sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. I feel like I could honestly use this as self-defense if I had to. You know, if someone's trying to be like, give me your laptop. Better watch out, dude. I'm going to smack you with my laptop. Just like my iPhone, Apple offers financing that gives you 3% cash back. And I did finance my computer, which I like. Instead of dropping like $1,700 on this through my payment plan, it's only $140 a month, which is really affordable if I keep it. If I send it back and I have the Pro, I put that on a different credit card with a payment plan. Either way, I'm paying by month because these are relatively expensive machines. I can understand if you're watching this like, oh, I could never. Yeah, girlfriend, boyfriend, I feel you. I finance this. This makes it a possibility. I hope to use this to make money so it'll offset itself and pay for itself and keep up with those bonus promotional offers. The same tricks that I taught you to get an iPhone Pro Max for free, you could use to get any MacBook for free or any computer as well. The Starlight is way better with the smudginess. This silver apple is the only thing that I would watch out to not touch, or you know, you can have a wipey handy and keep it all pretty and beautiful. Love it, guys. Like, I can hold this with one hand. Like, this is really cool. It's so thin. This really just feels like I'm holding, like, my phone, I guess. The Pro Max is kind of heavy as is. I don't have a tablet, so maybe this is what tablets feel like. Crazy. Way different than this. This is heavy. Like, I know my laptop is smaller, but this is actually way, like, it feels heavier than this thing does. This is really snazzy. I have trouble opening it, though. Here's the screen, guys. Really nice. And I've never held or had a MacBook Air before. They redesigned this model, and supposedly this one, the weight distribution is a lot more balanced. It used to be really light on this end, apparently, and like heavier in the back. But never am I gonna be like, oh, here's my laptop, and just be like throwing it around like this. But I guess I could just be like all willy-nilly, you know. But like, who does that? Why would anyone do that? Wow. Maybe because they don't have a MacBook Air, because holy shit, like I never thought I'd be able to just like, woo woo. This is so cool. Yeah, really impressed. I'll be video editing on the MacBook and playing Fortnite, just like I like to do on my iPhone and play Fortnite in video game. I want to see which computer can handle it better, because they should perform better than my cell phone even does. They're both honestly incredible machines, but whichever one performs better and I seem to love the most, I look forward to using and creating better content for you guys in the future. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!